The Business Immersion Week for me seems to be a great experience in order to get in touch with many companies.
It's really wonderful and exciting because it gives us the opportunity to learn and listen from highly influential and innovative individuals.
My talk with the students today, it focused on impact and how a business can create positive social impact.
I'm very impressed by the diversity and engagement of the students. So I got a sense of sort of the array of interests and also the willingness of students to put themselves out there and ask questions and seek information.
So for me, this is a great opportunity to both tell them a little bit about some of my experiences, but also to learn about what their experiences were like and what interests them going forward, because they're going to be the future of communication.